Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have translated CS I Forgive You to this guitar, so we're gonna look at this with the capo set here on the 4th fret. Alright, so we have a couple chords to go over, and this is not your typical guitar song, and I believe we can do almost anything on guitar anyway, so yeah, let's try this. CS I Forgive You. We're gonna start with the chords. So we're gonna go with this G version of it. Alright, so what you do here is to play 3rd fret on E string. Then I mute the next string with the finger I'm using, in this case the mid finger. I'll lean that on top of the A string so it gets muted. And then you continue with open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have D next. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have B minor. So that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string. So just 5 strings like that below. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have A as well. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We also have the A but with a C sharp in the bass. So what I do there, I'll play a bar on the 2nd fret from the D string and down, so 4 strings. Alright, and then I add the 4th fret on A, which is the C sharp note by the way. And I play like that. Try to avoid the last E string because we don't want that barred on the 2nd fret. So play in the mid area here of the strings. Alright, so far we went through the chords there, and we have, yes, E minor left. So that's E minor. We have open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we have different styles of playing here. Actually, one string pattern-ish, and then just straight downs. So the string pattern will be used here at verse. So the chord progression will be the G chord, then D, and then B minor. And it's a certain pattern here where you're gonna alternate between playing on the bass notes and the top notes down here. So bass and top. So one string round goes. So what I do here, I play very short downstrokes here on the bass. I actually hit just 1 or 2, maximum 2 strings at the part where, yeah, depending on where I am on the bass strings, I just hit the E string perhaps, and then I go down and play the high E string down there. So alternating here, and it will be bass, top, top, bass, top, top, bass, top. That is one string around. So bass, top, top for 2 times, and then bass, top. So that is one string around. So you're gonna play 1 G, 1 D, and 2 B minor. So it goes. That is the verse play. All right, so that is the part that you play with the string pattern, and then the rest of the song goes with just straight downs. So if you want, you can also translate the verse into just straight downs, so you keep the same way of playing through the entire song there. So if you want to do that, then instead of playing 1 G with the string pattern, you just go 4 straight down. So then 4 Ds, and then 8 B minors, since that was 2 string rounds. So instead of you can go with yes. So it's up to you. if you go on here to the pre-chorus, I would have done everything that's where you're on the lyrics. You're gonna play G, 2 straight downs, then A, 2 downs, then D, 3 downs. Then comes this A, C chord, 1 down only. So it's just a bridge where you land, and then you end with B minor for 8 downs. And that is 1 chord progression. Okay, so again, G2, A2, D3, A, C, B minor, 8s. And that lead up to the chorus, I forgive you, that's where on the lyrics. And you're gonna continue with the downs here. You're gonna play B minor 2, A2, D4, then E minor 2, B minor 2, and A4. So B, A, D, E minor, B minor, and A. That's the chorus. And there you have all the parts, the verse, the pre-chorus, and chorus to handle CS, I Forgive You. By the way, one of our greatest voices out there from SIA. She's, yeah, remarkable. So anyway, give it a try. This is on a guitar, not your typical instrument for this song perhaps, but yeah, guitar is great. Anyway, thank you for watching. Play tuned.